Thank you, sir.
Please tell me your name
Sir, my name is Shaheen Naz.
and your roll number for this exam.
316361.
Please give us a brief introduction.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have graduated from BSc Physics Honours from SVM College, Jagatsinghpur in 2018, and currently I am preparing for Civil Services examination. And my hobbies include dancing and playing badminton. And my achievements, I would say, I have donated blood twice during my graduation years, and then I was selected for Inspire internship program for young talents, which was organized by KIT University in 2014. Yes.
Tell me what is your caste?
Sir, I have no caste, it's only religion, Islam.
What is the meaning of the name?
Sir, it means, Shaheen means gentle, soft and kind, and Naz means pride, and the name is of Persian origin. Yes, sir.
Master Basically, you are a postgraduate in which subject?
Sir, no, I have not done post-graduation. I am only a graduate in physics.
What are the subjects you have taken as special paper?
Sir, it's my optional subject. Sir, sociology and history.
History and?
Sociology.
It is not related.
Sir, sociology and history. Sociology and history.
Sociology and history.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you know what is demography? You are a student, you have
Yes, sir.
taken sociology or one of the subjects.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of demography in sociology?
Yes, sir. Sir, demography is the study of population of a definite area, and its importance lies in by using demography we can know the population of that area, literacy rate of that area, sex ratio of that region, and population density also.
Can you compare the population of the world, India and Odisha?
Sir, in India, according to 2011 census, it is around 1.2 billion total population, and in Odisha we have a population around 4 crore.
No, it's not around 4 crores.
Yes, sir.
Can you guess what will be the population by 2021 this year
Sir, of India,
of Odisha?
of Odisha, sir, it will be 5 crores.
5 crores.
Yes, sir.
In the last 2011 it was 4.2
Yes,
crores.
yes, sir. 4.2
And
crores.
there is an increase of every decade, there is an increase of how many percent?
Sir, I don't know the.
About 10%.
Yes.
In Odisha it has been 11.1%.
Yes, sir.
So the population will be 4.63, but it has already, it is the assessed that it will be 4.68. The Oriya people within Odisha,
Yes, sir.
outside Odisha it will be more, so it may reach 5 crores.
Yes, sir.
What is the geographical area of Odisha?
Sir, geographical area of Odisha is, sir, I not able to remember the number. Sorry, sir.
1,55,000 square kilometers. Okay.
Sir.
And which is the largest district in Odisha?
Sir, in terms of area, it is Mayurbhanj district.
And in terms of population?
Population, I think it is Mayurbhanj.
No.
Yes.
It is Ganjam.
Ganjam, yes, sir. Ganjam.
And tell me,
Yes, sir.
which is the smallest district in Odisha?
Sir, it is Jagatsinghpur.
The simple area or any population?
Sir, in area, I am talking about in terms of
Population wise, which is smallest?
Population wise, sorry sir, I don't know. Population wise.
Tell them Devgarh district.
Devgarh.
Maybe that may be the smallest district population wise.
Yes sir.
But geographically, Jagatsinghpur is the smallest.
Yes.
area.
Yes sir.
1,700 some odd square kilometers.
Yes
What
sir.
is it? Tell me what is the area, territory wise, what is the area of Odisha?
Sir, sir, I don't know.
Yes, I have already told you. But
Sir, it's 5,000 square kilometer.
it is 1,055,000, 1,55,000 square kilometers.
1,55,000 square kilometers. Okay, sir.
What is the distance to coastline of Odisha?
Sir, it is 480 kilometer long coastline.
Oh,
480 kilometer.
408 kilometers.
Yes, sir. 480.
You belong to which district?
Sir, Jagatsinghpur. Yes.
Your subject was sociology and
History, sir. Yes, sir.
some questions from history. Tell me, what is Ghazni?
Sir,
Ghazni?
Ghazni. Sir, I don't know. Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Do you know Sultan Mahmud?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
heard of it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sultan Mahmud belongs to Ghazni.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ghazni is a
Yes, sir.
district in
In Pakistan,
no,
Af-
in Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Yes, sir.
Ghazni ransacked one temple, famous temple.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it's Somnath Temple in Gujarat. He answered it many times.
What is your native place?
Sir, it's Jagatsinghpur.
Jagatsinghpur.
Yes, sir.
So Jagatsinghpur proper or any village?
No, sir, proper Jagatsinghpur.
Why that name is Jagatsinghpur? Have you got an idea?
Yes, sir. Sir, Jagatsinghpur's ancient old name is Hariharapur. In ancient times, the Maratha administration has appointed Jagat Singh as its revenue collector. In his name, because he was a very efficient collector and a very good person also, and he has ruled over 33 years in Hariharapur. In his name, the name Jagatsinghpur name is given Jagat Singh.
Have you heard of Paradip? Sorry, I don't.
Yes, sir. Yes, Paradip is in.
Why it is named as Paradip?
Sir, it is named as Paradip. Sir, I don't know. Sir, it is Dweep means it is island. Dweep means island, and Paradip is a deep sea modern port. And why it
I
is?
know it better because she was
Yes.
he was associated with Paradip.
We have two types of ports
Yes, sir.
in India. What are the categories?
Sir, major ports and minor ports.
Acha.
Yes.
Then Paradip is a major port or minor port?
Sir, it's a major port.
How many major ports are there in our country?
Sir, it is 13 major ports in India.
Previously it was 13, now it is 12 because Andaman Nicobar there, that
Not considered.
recognition has been given.
Yes, sir.
So apart from the Paradip,
Yes, sir.
some other ports are there in Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Which are such ports?
Sir, ports like Dhamra port and Gopalpur port is also there, but they are minor ports, and Jatadhara port is it is going to be it did not happen because of POSCO issue. Jatadhara minor port.
Now there are only two minor ports in Odisha. One is Gopalpur
Yes.
and then Dhamra.
Yes, sir.
Have you got any idea about the transportation?
Yes, sir.
Can you just speak 5-6 lines on transportation?
Yes, sir. Sir, transportation makes a person's commutation better, and due to transportation, man economic and many normal life it became better. And in Jagatsinghpur, sir, transportation it mainly it is sea transportation, like it modern day port is also there, so trade and commerce activities flourished there immensely due to industrialization in Paradip. And we have also roads, and in that category we have
How many modes of transport are there?
Sir, 3 modes.
Which
Sir,
are the modes?
Sir, one using air, that is aeroplane and helicopter, and then using road and water.
Which mode of transport is cheaper?
Sir, it's water. Water. Yes, sir.
And what is the other facility of water transport?
Sir, the most important thing of water transportation is it is cheaper and it is environment friendly. No pollution is caused by the transportation of water as compared to the road and the airways. It is very cheaper and environment friendly also, and it also carries a huge amount of people and bulk of materials in ships through water in less time also.
Have you got an idea that which materials are cargo is dealt by Paradip port, both
Yes.
import and export?
Yes, sir. Sir, we generally export iron ore to Japan through Paradip port and other countries also, like in Southeast Asia country.
No, you can tell only the commodity, only the cargo. Destination
Yes.
not required.
Sir, iron ore, and we also export things like food materials.
Food materials?
Yes, sir.
Food material is exported or imported?
Sir, mostly it is imported. And we generally export the iron ore reserves from Odisha.
Apart from iron ore, some other ores are there?
Sir, yes, aluminium, bauxite ores. We also export to other countries.
Then thermal coal is also.
Thermal coal.
Where from this thermal coal is produced in our state?
Sir, the coal belt in our state lies mainly in Sundargarh area, Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar area, and Badbil, Koira Valley also.
What about Talcher?
Yes, sir, Talcher is also there in Angul. Is also is one other prominent.
Chromite, you know,
Yes.
there is one chromite raw material transported.
Chromite raw material.
It is from Odisha.
Yes, sir, steel plant.
There is one ferrochrome factory in Odisha.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is in Jajpur, and it is. Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall that.
So, who is the Chief Minister of Punjab now?
Sir, it's Charanjit Singh Channi.
And Prime Minister of Afghanistan.
Prime Minister of Afghanistan. Sir, now Taliban has taken over, and they have inducted Mullah Akhund as their Prime Minister, interim as of their interim government.
What is today's major news item?
Yes, sir. Sir, today's main news item is it's about vaccination. UK has approved the Covishield of India. Indian travelers, they could also recognized as vaccinated, but it has not given approval to its certification. Like they don't recognize our certificate, vaccination certificate, in comparison to other countries like Canada and so on.
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ఇప్పుడు సజెషన్ జరుగుతుంది పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కల్లా తనడి అది కొత్త ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అది
Yes, sir.
Just my suggestion is, it is a personality test.
Yes, sir.
It is not, now we are not calling it a virus test, because we want to judge your personality,
Yes, sir.
your manner of delivery, how you are dressed, how comfortable you are,
Yes, sir.
how attentive you are. Even if you fail to answer one question,
Yes, sir.
you should not be totally caught out or mentally upset.
Yes, sir.
Because our objective is not to see how much knowledge you have. You have written whatever knowledge you have, that has been tested
Yes.
elaborately.
Yes, sir.
Now we want to judge whether you are actually attentive or not.
Yes, sir.
In one point, you did not give me proper attention to my words.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes.
What is the geographical area
Of Odisha. Yes, sir.
So that is a minus point.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, your vocabulary is your life,
Yes.
and you should have adequate knowledge about
Odisha.
the state, because this is Odisha Institute Service.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, I will go and read about it.
I was the first in Odisha Administrative Service.
Yes.
Then I was a lecturer in government college. I was late in attending the interview. My name was called in the morning. I attended in the evening.
Yes.
You are very much honored with me. They asked me such questions which very few IAS aspirants can answer.
Yes, sir.
Such difficult questions. And they asked what is which is the biggest district in Odisha, largest district. Then Koraput was the largest because there are 13 districts.
Yes, sir.
What is its area? What is its population?
Yes.
I was able to answer that also correctly. Because there is one booklet issued by Department of Statistics.
And statistics.
And I have got one copy of that booklet where entire history, geography, agriculture, economics, everything about it is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that was also in my mind. When they saw that I am able to answer,
Yes,
then I
sir.
told what is the distance between Bodbi and Tensa?
Yes.
Can you say?
No, sir. I can't say.
Somebody prompted,
Yes.
but I didn't give any attention to that. Because of that answer I could not say. I wanted that next question, what would be the next question? I didn't at all bother to listen with the prompting. But 5 minutes after he again asked,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
distance between Bodhi and Tensa? That is the reason why they gave me very less mark, 50% marks.
Yes.
Whereas my written mark was 71%.
Yes.
Written plus IAS together, I
Yes, sir.
stood second, but first candidate with the IAS. And I stood also in my batch, I stood at the second mark.
Yes.
So these are some of the questions. They asked me questions like, just to in order to test my mind, they asked question, what is Sheffield? Why famous? What is Brisbane? Why
Brisbane.
famous?
Yes.
What is Liverpool? Why famous?
Yes, sir.
What is Dublin? Why famous? All these things they asked me. one by one.
Sir.
And inside Orissa also, I didn't know what is Belpa, what is Temsa, what is Rupsa.
Rupsa.
That time I was I was not able to answer that properly. But they went on questioning it one by one.
Yes.
And there was one question.
Yes.
Why the American Foreign Affairs Minister is known as Secretary of States? That was the question. I also could not, I just guessed, because he controls the affairs of different states. It's known as Secretary of States.
Yes.
So because I was that prompt and I was guessing so intelligently, they took it positively. Anyway,
Thank you.
overall performance is good.
କେବେ ଅଛି ତମର interview?
Sir, 29 ରେ ଅଛି.
ହଁ?
29 ରେ.
29 ରେ।
Yes, sir.
ସେ ସାର୍ ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ ସେମିତି
Current affairs ଟିକେ ଭଲ କରିବ।
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବିଷୟରେ ଟିକେ ଭଲ କରି ଜାଣିବ।
ଓଡ଼ିଶା.
ଏଇଟା
Sir, ସେ ବୁକଲେଟ୍ ନାଁଟା କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ?
ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକାଲ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡବୁକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଏବେ ବାହାରୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ
ସେଟା 2018 ରେ ବାହାରିଥିଲା। ତା ମିଳୁଛି ମା। ଏ ଯେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଜୟଦେବ ଭବନ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ନାହିଁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଜୟଦେବ ଭବନ। ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଜୟଦେବ।
ସେଇଠି 2018 ବାହାରିଥିଲା, ତାପରେ ବାହାରିନି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନେକ୍ସଟଟା ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଚାଲିଛି। ସେ 2018 ବହିଟା କିଣିଦେଲେ ସେଥିରେ ସବୁ ଅଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବି ଅଛି, ଇଂରାଜୀରେ ବି ଅଛି।
ନହେଲେ ବସ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡରେ ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ବହି ବି ଅଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ନର୍ସ ବହି ଅଛି।
ଓକେ ସାର୍, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
Public.